Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Tips for Your Voice. The last few tips that I gave, I wasn't exactly feeling well. I felt lousy. I had a sinus infection. And then after that, and I had to do a show. Then after that, it's the aftermath. It's watching where I was speaking, not speaking down too low and pushing my voice, which I was doing. And of course, I was conscious of it, have to change. So I wanted to share that with you. And now I'm starting to vocalize a bit and see where my voice is at. So I figured I'd share that with you. But I also wanted to share with you that not only was I sick, but I was kind of down also because I lost one of my kitties. Not the kitty that you saw in the last videos. That's Spartacus. He's running around here. He might join us, I don't know. But I lost my BB. And he was the sweetest guy. He would, well, my dog, you'll get to meet my dog too. My dog Buddy, he would nudge him in the morning so that he'd get licks from his doggy. And Spartacus, the one that I've had in videos, he would nudge Spartacus so Spartacus would lick him. And my BB's gone now. So that wasn't, it was the reason why I didn't like smile in the beginning and go, oh, you know. So I just wanted to share that with you that even though bad things happen, we still have to go on and do things, but maybe not the same, you know. But I'm remembering him and I know he's in heaven. He's romping around now. And today I wanted to share with you exercises and what you need to think of as you're starting to go on those high notes, okay? So I'm going to start down here lower than a lot of us girls go, but I go really low. Just a simple exercise, so I'm going to just see how my muscles feel. Note that even though I'm doing low notes, I'm keeping my mouth open as if they were high notes, okay? And of course, I could do it that way, but I'm practicing, and I tell my students to practice keeping your mouth open so that when you do go to sing, you remember that. You go for high notes, you're going to remember opening the mouth, not like that. There we go. Now I'm coming to a place where, okay, now a little bit higher than this. I'm going to have a changeover because I know I'm going high. If I'm only going so far, so high, you could do it loud or soft, chest or head voice or falsetto. But when you know that you're going to go really high, and I'm testing the voice out, I'm not really looking to push it. I'm going, how you doing? Do you feel good today? What's going on? You know, I'm talking to my muscles, I'm listening, I'm feeling. So now I'm going to lighten up, so because I'm going to the high notes, okay? Right here, I need it to be a little bit lighter, so no problem. Making sure I keep my mouth open. Now I'm thinking as I go higher, I'm thinking of the back of the throat. And I'm going to show you a picture from my book. Notice I'm keeping every sound the same. You don't want that high note to go, so forth and so on, and then on the way down. Now you know where you're at. And I tested my voice out before we did this because, you know, you hate to look bad. It went, what are you doing? Oh, look who joined us. Mr. Spartacus. So, And you know, when you lose an animal, if you have any others, you just appreciate them so much more. You realize, my gosh, you know, did I love my little one enough? Did I look after him enough? And you know, you go through all kinds of changes. But Spartacus now, he's joining us. I gotta put him up here. And there he is. Yeah, he loves that. So as I was saying before Spartacus decided to join us, you need to think about the back of the throat. And I'm going to do a shameless, right, Spartacus? A shameless plug for my book. Inside my book, we've got a page I want to show you. It's page 104 in the second section, the second part. And right over here, I don't know whether you can see it, whether it's, you able to see it there? On the left-hand side over here, or it would be the right-hand side when I'm looking at it now, left, right, yeah, there you go. You're going to see a side view of the person. This was taken by a book by Venardi, and I got the permission from, who are those people? Oh yes, Carl Fisher. It was from the book Singing, the Mechanism and the Technique, a college book, and it's very technical. It's absolutely great. And this picture, the permission I got, is one that I use all the time with my students, and it shows the back of the throat, the front view. Can I talk? Hello. The front view, and then the side view. The front view, you're going to see. I hope you can see this. You're going to see the punching bag in back of the throat. That's called the uvula. And here you see it coming down. You see the back of the throat. Well, what happens, again, I Will Not Grow Weary is the name of the book. Shameless plug. Right, Spartacus? Spartacus agrees. He thinks you should buy it right now. Amazon. Hello. Okay. So what you want to think of is that uvula in the back of the throat and the arches. Ah! You want to think of those arches lifting up the back of the throat. It's the soft palate, so it can rise. In the front, you can't rise that. It's solid. So in the back, though, it moves, and as you go up, you have to think of lifting up there. And now my voice is responding. My voice is happy here. When I go to chest voice, it's a little bit rusty. But I want to warm the muscles with falsetto or head voice, the lighter sound going up as high as it feels like you're not pushing anything. And as low as you want to go. What? He didn't like that. And down further for you guys. I know you go down there. So that you want to think of. And again, you want to be conscious. How do your muscles feel after you've been sick? Remember the speaking voice. And drink lots of liquid. And I did it with lemon to eat up the phlegm. Okay? So let me see. Is that all we want to go over today? I think so. So you have a wonderful day, and my animals are, see, I have 4 cats and 1 dog. And the 1 dog, my buddy, I'm going to show you him. I have a short video of him, and telling the story of how I found him, because all my animals are rescues. So they're starting to act up. They say, you better get to us. We need food. We need you to love us. So I want to say bye today. Have a great day. And that's it. I think that's all. Bye-bye. Oh, no, I forgot. You've got to subscribe. Now, look, I'm going for 100 subscribers this week, maybe. Okay, how about into next week, all right? So subscribe. What can I say? It's a great thing. I'm going to be doing these videos all the time, sharing stories with you, and maybe in another location also, okay? So, bye-bye.